Well, call it the traditional sounds of the season with a Latin flair. Yes, that sounds familiar, right? That's Russian dance from the Nutcracker, as played by Mariachi del Sol de Mexico, I should say, the Los Angeles-based group performing tonight at the Majestic Theatre in Dallas. It is just one of several classic holiday hits the musicians will be playing at their annual Christmas concert.
I think when the audience comes tonight to our Mariachi Christmas, I think they're going to take something very, very beautiful with them. The sound of the traditional mariachi instruments interpreting music from basically from all over the world.
Absolutely. Mariachi Sol de Mexico. Dallas is just one of several stops for the multi-nominated Grammy group. What's more, Hernandez's daughter, Crystal Hernandez, a 2023 TCU grad. She's credited with starting the university's first ever mariachi group. Tickets to tonight's show still available. It starts at 7 o'clock downtown Dallas.